Hi everyone, in today's Photoshop tutorial, I will tell you how to convert a JPG into a PNG file. Here is the logo of Tesla in front of me and we want to convert into a PNG file because we want it to be placed on this t-shirt mockup. So first of all, what I will do is that I will select this layer. I have to select the subjects in this layer to make it a PNG file. So first of all, I will go to quick selection tool and here I see the magic wand tool. What magic wand tool does is that it selects the area with the same color. In this picture we want to select the red color, so I will click on red color. It select the red color, but here is some more color which is also red, so we want to select it also. So I will hold shift and also click on the other items. Selected, 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 and selected. Now my subject is selected and it is ready to be converted into a PNG file. So I will select the layer mask and here my picture is being converted from JPG into a PNG file. Now you can also see a white background, it's this layer. I will also hide this layer and you can see this is now a transparent PNG. Now what I will do here is that I will place it on here. I will decrease its size, zoom, move tool, and I will drag it here and I will convert into a smart object. My this file is still a PNG file because it has no background. I can also add a drop shadow to make it look cooler. I think opacity is very. I think now it's looking good. So that's for today's video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.